Hi, good morning, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you all are doing fine and enjoying every bit of your life. And what I want to share today is related to a very beautiful habit that most of the Fortune 500 company CEOs follow, okay? And they have this, we all have this tendency to procrastinate and not follow what needs to be done, or we just ignore it and tend to let it go, right? For example, if it's a habit where, say, I want to be more energetic all day, or I want to be kind and calm to people all day. But what happens is sometimes there is a situation and a circumstance where we end up losing something, our temper, or our calm, or our cool, and we end up getting angry and or disappointed with certain things, right? So what I'm going to suggest you is, for a few days, because for us to build a particular habit, it takes time, right? It doesn't happen overnight. So keep the habit of having an alarm, say every 1 hour. Okay, keep a reminder. So honestly speaking, I was not a very time conscious person all these years. If you ask me, I would be the last person to enter a particular place. Okay, I was not at all time conscious. So my coach recommended me at that point of time to keep an alarm every single hour, and I did that for a few days continuously with consistency. I kept an alarm every single hour to see where I am, to see what the time is, to see what I could do, in order to. And that point of time, I make it a conscious effort to be there in that moment and refresh everything that I have to do and see if my schedules are on time or not. Okay. So if you are someone who is growing, if you are someone who is wanting to go ahead in your life and achieve something, if you're someone who is already or has too many schedules in a day and you're not able to handle it, this is surely for you. This will help you organize yourself better. Okay, and I also request you to like and subscribe for my channel for more information, and share the video as well, and leave some comments so that I know how you like it. Okay, in the meantime, again, like I was telling you about the habit practice, this is something that a lot of big people use and not many people use it in the normal life situations. But someone who's very successful is what I mean by big. Okay, so please don't consider that I'm uh, you know giving anyone a bar or a gap or some position. That's not true. But that's how anybody in this world can succeed. Anyone in this world can go to higher levels, and levels where you will be able to do more, you will be able to achieve more for yourself, have better results in your life. And that's what we all want, right? Wherever we are living, we want to live a better life than where we are, right? So that if that is the need of the hour, and if that's something that you're working on, this is one of the most beautiful things. Pick up one practice at a time, run that for every hour is as an alarm, and then remind yourself that you have to do it, you have to do it. And then just give a few seconds with that thought that yes, I have already become calm. Or if you're someone who wants to build more energy, just get up, keep an alarm every hour, get up every hour for a few seconds. Okay, maybe 20 seconds, and you do some stretches. So that'll all help you come out of build energy. Or if you want to keep your calm, just visualize you're keeping your calm and you're present to that moment. If you want to be present to that moment, you can do it. You can use this for keeping track of time, or see how the day flows, right? So anything can be achieved with this, guys. And stay in touch with me. Let me know if you have any feedbacks or reviews. And yeah, I'll see you soon. You take care. Bye bye.